My name is Maahi and I'm an apprentice plumber with Watkins as a level 3 plumbing apprenticeship student. So my role as an apprentice plumber is to assist other plumbers with things such as first fixing, maintenance and installations. So I chose to study an apprenticeship because I think hands-on learning is the best type of learning. You also get paid while you're doing an apprenticeship. Even balancing college and work can be quite difficult, but it gives you discipline.
Hello, I'm Helen Harris. I work as the apprenticeship and community lead at C Watkins Plumbing Ltd based in Ramsgate. Apprenticeships are key to gaining a career. It means that people are learning whilst also earning. For construction, we need apprentices coming through in order to future-proof the industry. A successful apprenticeship starts at the first interview. A well-constructed CV, maths and English GCSE, confident and positive outlook. We are very happy that our apprentices attend Waltham Forest College.